Hello everyone, this is Vinod Kankwa. As I told you that I will improve my communication skills and English skills within 6 months. So, as I told you that I am working in a company. So this is my company. Not this is a company. This is the office. You can say this is office. I am shooting video, but as I told you that in my company is not allowed to make video, but still I am making video. You can understand how badly I am thinking about to learn something. And one most important thing is that I will make video, as I told you, that bilingual, but sometime I realize that if I will make bilingual, then I know that you will understand or not, but it will not help that much in for my communication skill. That's why I'm speaking only in English, but I will speak in Hindi, don't worry. For that sometime I think English and something I think in Hindi, but most important thing is that, as I told you, that I will work first four things. I am working on four things like listening, reading, writing, speaking. So sometimes I skip writing because sometimes I don't have time. That's why I skip. But I am trying to make video right now. And one more thing, I am reading a book which name is Think and Grow Rich. Just I am looking that no one is coming because if someone will come, then someone will see that what am I doing. That's why I am making video in front of thing. What am I doing? One more important thing that you have to think in English. If you want to speak in English, then you have to think in English. In initial, it will take time because right now I have started thinking English. Suppose that I will say I am going to, and I am thinking. So you can think in mind like I am doing whatever you are doing. If you are feeling like you cannot speak, that whatever you are doing, you can think first. If you will think, then you can speak because whatever you are speaking, I am thinking first, then I am speaking. That's why I am saying if you want to start speaking, then first of all you have to think because sometimes I am translating something, but translation is the not good way to learn any language. So that's why I have stopped translating and I have started thinking in English. Sometimes I was thinking that how do I think in English, but when I have started thinking, that time I can understand that how to think. That's why I have started thinking in English. I am speaking slowly because I am in company. Okay, so don't worry. If you are new here, then do subscribe. If you are watching this video on Insta, then do follow. And one most important thing is that, just as I told you, that I will make video while reading, writing, and speaking. But I have only one phone, so that's why. And when I am reading, that time I cannot. No, sorry. When I am listening, that time I cannot record. But when I will read, I will record. And whatever I will do, I will explain each and everything. So don't worry. Today is, I think, my third day of making video. That's why I am not speaking that much fluency. But you will see within 6 months. After 4 months, I will become a fluent English speaker. So if you want to see my growth and you want to grow, then do subscribe my YouTube channel to see my growth. Thanks for watching.